Yeah, she needs some good loving, that's for sure. Looks like a 2025, baby. What a treat. Jessica got the mimosa. We got the view. We got the F8 Tributo in the driveway. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We're doing some detailing. We're doing a ceramic coating on a vessel of the sea of sorts. Not really car stuff today, kinda though, because we're going to GR Auto Gallery where they have some pretty cool ones in stock. So we're gonna keep it kind of car related here on the channel. The content of today's video is gonna revolve around a 2014 Moomba that Carson, who I'm sure everybody on the channel is familiar with, has come down. We're gonna do the full decontamination wash, paint correction of the, what's it called, gel coat, and then yeah, ceramic coating. So it's gonna be looking good. Got a little bit of traffic here. If you guys are new to the channel, want to see more stuff like this for the upcoming summertime, make sure to hit subscribe. And if you want to help out the algorithm, there's always the like button. If you guys don't like the video, hit the dislike button. But without further ado, let's get to the shop and get this road on the show. She needs some good loving, that's for sure. But it's a clean boat, 2014 Moomba. Getting the full business today. So Jimmy took this out, what, yesterday? For a little wake surfing and some water spots dried. Definitely some oxidation in the paint, some swirl scratches in the gel coat. Obviously, you guys can see it under the lights here pretty well. Not bad though for 2014. Gonna get it cleaned up real nice. Get these water spots off with a quick wash. Get everything decontaminated. Yeah, you can see there it's pretty yucky, pretty grimy. But she'll be looking nice here after we're done with it. It's gonna be a long day, so be prepared. And lucky enough to be invited to GR Auto Gallery today to use their indoor space. If you guys want to check out any of their inventory, we'll link it down below. I'll let y'all in on a little industry secret. See, when boats go in the water, they get water spots. And there's really no way to avoid it except for preemptive care, like we're doing with the ceramic coating today. It's just down to this gel coat where she definitely needs some love. So that's gonna be the next step, just getting everything corrected. We can do like a 50-50 comparison, see where we were before. Yeah, take it from there. There are a couple love marks just from maybe some dock tapping. Just a little bit right here. That is in the coat, it's down beneath the clear coat, so that's not coming off. But for the surface scratches on the gel coat, should come off just fine. Let's get started. Carson is working the polisher today. We'll find him an office chair so we won't complain the entire time. We'll update you guys once we get kind of a 50-50 comparison with the polisher done. At this point, the boat is completely polished. There are a couple gnarly little spots like this guy right here where there's some deep scratches, so obviously we can't get stuff like that out. But as far as the lighter swirls, scratching, you guys remember what this reflection was like earlier in the video, and now it is like a completely different boat, which is amazing. Everything came out that we needed. I'd say we're 97% back to factory paint, which for a paint correction of this nature is amazing on an 8-year-old boat. With the light there, you can see the giant difference. Again, bigger chunks and kind of dock damage, things like these obviously aren't gonna come out. We also got the surface prepped with some IPA. We are ready to coat the boat. We're gonna go ahead and do that now with the ceramic. Everything is glossified right now, and once the coating's on, it's just gonna deepen that gloss, gonna give us this really rich shine on every single color, and we'll be able to see the complete before and after difference. Also gonna be coating the glass. We haven't done that yet, so there's still a couple water spots and whatnot, but that's gonna be after. We're doing the glass last. That's just where we're at. Let's keep her going. Haven't been doing a lot of the process because I'm wearing gloves. It's a bit hard to film. We're coating the thing. All right, so at this point, the entire boat is coated. Carson is doing a little IPA on the windshield, and then we're coating the glass as well. Then I get some final shots of the boat, and we're in business. The owner of the boat is actually on his way, so you can get his reaction, see if he likes it. If he doesn't, well, that's just too bad, Jimbo. Results speak for themselves. I'm about 1 inch away from the surface of this paint as I'm taking this video. Looking really good. This is an 8-year-old boat, and we brought it back to life. Looks like a 2025, baby. Excited to see Jimmy's reaction, and hope he likes it. Ladies and gents, very happy to report things cleaned up nicely, and Jimmy is very, very happy with the job. He's actually putting the boat in the water today. It is Memorial Day weekend, so it's gonna be looking absolutely phenomenal. We have some more car stuff going on the channel, so you're not gonna wanna miss that if you guys are new, wanna see more. Back to kind of the regularly scheduled programming as far as car modifications and whatnot. So if you just saw, I have some behind me, very pumped to get these on the car. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, we'll see ya.